Howdy y'all, Fast Force 289, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be working on this 2014 Mustang. Now, if you have a 2000s whatever Mustang, this body style, you know, the 2014 to whenever, we got water leaking inside the car. Look down in there, you got all that water puddled up in there. You got to figure out why it ain't draining. All right, so now once you got the water out of there, soaked it up, the plug, there's a plug right there, and it gets clogged up with dirt and debris, and it will not drain properly. So then it builds up, and then you see the river that was in here before. So you gotta get all the water out and get all the dirt and leaves out of there, which I already did with my vacuum cleaner. And there's the plug, you pull it out. This was slammed full of just gunk. So pull it out, clean it out really good, push it back in the hole, and now it will drain properly. And there's a look at the end result. Got the plug back in. It's still a little wet because I just poured water in to test it. It drains good. Now you want to do the same thing for the driver's side. If you take this panel off though, you can't really get in here to clean anything. The motor is in the way and everything, but if you look right here, here's the drain for it. You can pull it out from the bottom, clean it, and then push it back up in there, wiggle it around to get it seat in the groove, and then you're good to go. All right, so we got them plugs cleared out, we got the valley cleared out. Now is a good time to change your cabin air filter. Tabs go at the bottom where those holes are, and then the top just presses in. Just like so. And now it's in there, you hear it click in, you're good to go. And now you can put your cover back on for the cowl that goes up here. One more little pro tip is put the windshield wipers up to put this in. It makes it a whole lot easier because otherwise the arm's in the way. So now we can pop this right in there like it's supposed to, and it'll sit right down. All right guys, well that's it, we're done. The Mustang is complete now. It don't leak water into the car anymore. Since we cleaned those plugs out, I poured some water over the cowl vent to make sure that it works right, and we're good to go. No more water building back up in the car. It drains right on the ground like it's supposed to. And they were dirty. They were, yeah, the driver's side would barely trickle out, and the passenger side wouldn't do anything. So it was just backing up into the cabin air filter and backing up into the car, leaking water on the floor. So if you have this problem on these Mustangs, that's how you fix that. And simple fix, really just takes a little bit of time to clean it up and all. If you check it regularly, don't park underneath trees and all where leaves and dirt can get in there. And if you check it regularly, it'll be fine too. You can blow it out, you know, once in a while, it'll help too. And when you change your cabin air filter, just look down in there, check your plugs, see how dirty they are. But anyway, that's it. If y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if yeah, I hurt my thumb doing another video. Yeah, good old fashioned piece of towel and electrical tape's best Band-Aid in the world. But anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below, and I'll get back to you. And as always, thank y'all for watching each and every day. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.